and welcome. Last week I was assembling few PCB circuits and I also have recorded the video for the assembling process. So here I have the PCBs to assemble. These are actually 4-layer PCBs just to programming LTE and Bluetooth low energy devices. I have this mounting to hold the PCB in place while placing the components. I have this stainless steel stencil to apply the solder paste on the PCBs. I am using this soldering station, very reliable for small work. I also have this heat gun. This is also very good and very reliable working station. I have other tools like this is the flux required during the component assembly, scraper tool, tweezers, the soldering wire, the tip thinner. So all these are the essential parts or tools required. This is a no clean liquid flux. This is very interesting tool, a magnifier, a USB magnifier. I use it to verify or monitor the soldering joints if everything is perfect on the PCB. So this is a really good tool available on Amazon. So this is how I set up the PCB to apply the solder paste. So I have 3 PCBs, the same PCBs on the side, mounted with sticky tape, and all the edges are aligned. Applying some more tape to hold the PCB in place so that during the solder paste application it do not move. Now it's time to position the stencil over the PCB. There is a need to match the pads, and here the solder paste applied on the stencil. I will use another PCB to just like a scraping tool, just like a spatula, to apply the solder paste. So this process is done, the paste is applied. Now I will lift the stencil and will show the PCB. So here it is. This is how the paste is applied. Not perfect, but it is good for most of my PCB assembling processes. So this is the top layer of the PCB where I have applied the paste. Next I will go with the magnifier tool to place the components. So the USB magnifier is pretty easy to set up. You just need to connect it to the USB port and open the camera application of the Windows, and it will give you an option to change the camera. So here I need to adjust the magnification, the position of the lens, and we are ready to go with the component placing. Okay, so the components are placed and this is time to apply the heat to melt the solder paste. So here I'm setting the heat gun to 340 degrees centigrade, and when I will pick up the heat gun, it will start increasing the temperature. Here's the PCB with all those SMD components on the solder paste, and I'm going to apply the heat. This is the other side of the PCB. All the components all the required components are soldered here. I have the Type-C USB, the simple UART communication chips on this side. Nicely done. After that, I have soldered the through-hole components, and this is how it is now looking like. So these are all the required components for this PCB project. These are the standoffs to make a gap under the PCB. This is how I will place the actual required programming LTE device, LTE board to program it.